People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. We'll start the spooky series right now. My long time listener them knows that everything I'm gonna do, there's always some kind of strategy behind it. You know, so you have different gear, 1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear. Today we are changing gear again. This is just an intro. This is just an intro so when you get time to go stretch on the body. Like when you do an exercise, you go for your run, you have to stretch. Kind of want the muscle them tear. You have to do a little warm up. The spooky series, I go basically make no fun who thinks on know about nothing. Actually, learn something. Me can't count how much time people lick me and tell me, alright, watch your boom. You see how this man goes so bam? Because that means that. To be honest, most only get on the information from the same place. Same sources. These sources tend to be surface level basic people. Basic thinkers. That's no offense, but it is what it is. Remember so one time when I link the local YouTuber, when I have to come correct. Too much time when you see one look at 2-3 things on Instagram and YouTube and circular. Look YouTuber, watch a boom, cause this goes a boom. Unicorn mean. I that go on with the African puppet, you know. Shadowy. Me notice nothing when you get quiet from where they about that. Cause when you go start doing one research and start realize that hold on, it's a puppet show to rotted. Remember when I walk up and I talk about how man pay off Burkina Faso debt and build car 100% by the people bro, and man build their own factory and how man take back gold and all of the gold profits belong to Burkina Faso and try this and try. I'm telling you, it's a unicorn meat. But how much only fall for that scam there? Nothing you fall for that scam there. Over the years, I worry about time I soon say all kind of nonsense. I'm gonna just sit back with my hand on my cheek and just shake my head. Just like before me even start YouTube. And when you start about such man that just want look innocent, get a you them set up and him never even nobody nothing. No I say yeah. Alright, yeah, him kill lizard, but nah, lizard deserve dead. That's not what you were saying years ago. How much time now when you see something come out, popular narrative, look at you come out and say, no, a unicorn meat. When you jump up and make BNI is only for down the road realize the right that's it go. I see him in a unicorn series at the intro this. Enough time people think man I tell them about all kind of groups. Man I tell them about Freemason, man I tell them about this, man I tell them about Illuminati and all kind of something. Guy. I'm just asking 1, 2, 3 questions and I realize right, they don't know what going on. Let me break it down for you, cause in this series, the groups them really pertain to Jamaica. I go drop on YouTube. I have some whole heap of other groups some I never hear none of them talk about ever. Where exist. Some of them I go drop exclusively on Patreon because them one they might not directly apply to Jamaica, but them apply to America, and if Jamaicans live in America, so they might know what go on this. So. The most common name you hear is Freemason. Freemason is the most common name you hear, and the reason for this is predominantly because of such man. Because when they come out and start with a certain rig and tell us say 33 degrees of this heights of evil, unicorn nonsense. Such man is not a Freemason. In this series, you will find out exactly what he is. In this series, you're going to find out about another group where enough Jamaicans, I'll go as far as to say most Jamaicans, mix up to Freemason. The name of that group and the group that is going to kick off the spooky series, the group when I'm going to tell you about first, and that is starting next week, and by the intro video this. It's at the intro video so you can go call their friend them and tell them to get ready for next week. That group is known as the Mechanics. Oh no. Enough time me hear now talk about this and talk about that and talk about man go for your 7 time man when man go down the road them turn that way and then go so and then like them take 2 step back way and like then get the little drip of this and mix it with this and stir it up with that this guy. No fighting them on a tribute to Freemasonry is really mechanics. But I'm telling you right now, guy, you have to go recalibrate your brain from what you think you know. Because enough of the so-called knowledge where you think you have are actually mechanics you are talking about. You go ask about mechanic, what do you mean mechanic like people were fixed like my car when time it broke down? You see the similarities? Mason, mechanic, tradesmen. Don't worry, it will all make sense in this series, guy. We're going to start off with the mechanics. Very similar to the Masons. That is how people mix them up. Mechanics even have them own lodge. They even have similar degrees at the lower level. The mechanics and the Masons. If you cannot understand the mechanic them different from the Mason them, then you're simply not competent enough to discuss any matter surrounding any kind of spooky society. Because you know anything what people don't really understand spooky to them. When you think when you watch 2 YouTube video and look on 2 look Instagram posts and some look dopey about blog and things so you know what go on now, yeah? You go and find out. Mechanics, one of the most unknown and misunderstood groups in Ireland. Even within the mechanics, you have different branches where separate and do for them own little things separate from the original type of. I wonder if you realize what go on. From Freemasonry, from mechanics, you have people who take part of Freemasonry, take part of mechanics and build them own little thing. Different countries practice different things and that applies to Jamaica too. But enough people in Jamaica practice a type of mechanic, a type of masonry. What is not official masonry or official mechanics. For the sake of argument, I will refer to these people as the cobblers. Mason, mechanics, and cobblers. I just for argument's sake, I call them cobblers. You know, I go see no official document calling them that. Them people that take piece to everything under them own little thing. Are you ready for the spooky series? People that tell about the same time man go so boom and make 2 step go for your and go for your so boom. That show say Mason and go so boom bam boom. Just low IQ individuals trying to sound smart. Enough things where you hear Jamaicans talk about and attached to masonry actually apply to mechanics. So after only get mechanics, then only can start talk about masonry. And who and what makes somebody, even the whole 33 degrees, heights of evil, unicorn meat. Understand that DJ boy is a psyop. That DJ boy is a puppet. Who them use to carry out a psyop. To make the people them think them know what go on while they were getting completely deceived. I show them all ring and all kind of something. 33 degrees and all kind of something. How the Jamaican people thinking them know what go on and see what go on. It has to be studied. Such man is not a mason. His masters are. The people who pull certain strings and make certain doors open for him, they are masons. But he's not. I'll tell you what he is. Down the road. But the mechanics. Not for only right now. Why you looking to talk about mechanic like engine and transmission? Don't worry yourself, it's going to make sense soon. The spooky series shall be very interesting. Then you're going to hear about the various nights of this. I'm not talking about night and day. You're going to hear about all kind of rituals. You're going to hear about the occult. People even link me who used to be a part of various cults, left the cult, tell me what kind of rituals them used to do. Some spooky things are going on, wall guy. Some spooky things are going on. But we will be starting this spooky series with the mechanics. Get your notebook and get your pencil. Gear a change. But of course, you can just sit there and tell yourself, oh, nobody can call me know what go on and me know go on. Alright, Mr. Know It All. You don't have to tune in. Go and believe you. Yeah, man, cause watch my dog tell me say no one brother walk Freemason and go so one time I walk. Him like take 5 step back way then 2 step back way. It's master bro. And go so I can drink look so it's master bro. Alright. If you enjoy being ignorant, have at it, guy. But for those of you who want to learn, those of you who never even heard about nothing named mechanic, make sure you tune into the spooky series. I look at YouTube right now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.